Arriving at Alhamra Residence All-inclusive Resort in Dubai. It's about 15 miles from Dubai Business Bay and keeps you away from hectic traffic. Alhamra Residence is a beachfront, 4-star property in the Alhamra area of Ras Al Khaimah, located near Dubai. It offers 143 spacious suites, many with kitchens and amenities like multiple outdoor pools, a kids club, a gym, and direct beach access. While guests praise the spacious rooms and beachfront location, some reviews mention concerns about food quality and dated furnishings. Location: located in the upscale Alhamra area of Ras Al Khaimah, set on the beach of the Arabian Gulf, approximately 1 hour from Dubai International Airport and 30 minutes from Ras Al Khaimah International Airport. Accommodations: offers 143 spacious suites, with options including 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom residencies. Many suites have a separate living area and a kitchen with a full-size stovetop and crockery. Rooms often include a balcony or terrace. Amenities and activities: pools, 2 outdoor pools with a poolside bar. Dining: on-site dining options include an all-day dining restaurant, a pool bar, and a beach bar. Beach: direct access to a private beach. Golf: situated next to an 18-hole championship golf course. Kids Club: provides a kids club with various activities. Other includes a gym and tennis court. Things to note: some guests have mentioned inconsistencies in food quality and service. A resort fee is required upon check-in. It is a pet-friendly hotel. The hotel can be crowded at times, particularly around the pool area. If you are flying from United States, your flight tickets plus all-inclusive deal will be around $2,800 for 8 days per person. At least this is what I paid flying from Washington, D.C. to Dubai for 8 days vacation. Arabic sea water is pretty clean, and sand is incredibly white. What strikes you the most is service at the beach. Since it's a 4-star all-inclusive resort, all the beach beds, towels, umbrellas, etc. are free of charge. Weather is perfect in November and December, best season for swimming and beach activities in general. Food, as mentioned by other reviewers, does not have much variety, like let's say in Cancun, Mexico for example. You'll have only one restaurant at Alhamra Resort, but they change menu every day, trying to make your gourmet experience richer. On a side note, there will be many places to go visit in the area, and possibly you'd even want to see Abu Dhabi and their mosques, so I recommend not to rent a car, but drive around using a tour bus you hire at your hotel. Driving is hectic, and in UAE they have weird traffic rules and fines. On top of that, car rental companies are well-known scammers in Arabic Emirates. To learn more about car rental scams, please find a video called "Do Not Rent a Car in Dubai" on my channel. Enjoy the view and culture of Arabic Emirates in this video, and I'll see you in the next. God bless and take care.
We all want things, but what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What